Hey guys, what's going on? Jebb here, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you why I think Bitcoin is about to drop down to $53,000, and I'm not trying to spread FUD, but I do want to be honest with you. I think the rest of November is going to see a lot of sideways and downwards movement, but from there, I think December is going to be a very bullish month. If you want to know where and why Bitcoin is moving in the month of November, then you found the right video. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Before we get started, guys, I do want to mention that this channel and this video are sponsored by the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. If you want to learn everything you need to know about technical analysis in 45 videos and 15 hours of high-quality educational content to save you the time of trying to learn it on your own, I highly encourage you to check it out with the link in the description box down below. All right, guys, let's go ahead and break this down. I'm going to be brief because we went over this in Coffee and Crypto this morning, but the reason that I think that Bitcoin is going to be pulling back down to $53,000 is because of a few reasons. Number one, $53,000 is the last level of resistance that we saw before we broke all the way back up to all-time high. It was the local high that we set on September the 8th, and also $53,000 is roughly where this long-term uptrending level of support on Bitcoin finds itself moving. On top of that, if we look at Lux Algo on the daily chart, you'll be able to see that that is the bottom of the EQ cloud. We saw Bitcoin pull back down to the bottom of the EQ cloud the last time that we had a big correction, and I expect we're going to see the same thing happen this time, which could allow us to pull all the way back down to about 53,000. And then last but not least, if we look at the 100 daily simple moving average, then that is giving us support right around $53,000 to $55,000. So we have a lot of reason to believe that 53 to 55K is in play, but why would it push that far? Well, here's the deal. There is a principle that you need to understand in markets. It's very similar to the simple law of physics that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In cryptocurrency, every action does not have an equal and opposite reaction, but it definitely does have an opposite, if not equal, reaction. So what do I mean by that? Every time the market goes to the upside, I'll guarantee you it's eventually going to go down. Every time it goes down, I'll guarantee you it's eventually going to go up if the project is still alive. There are cases where that might not be the case, such as the project completely fell apart, like a BitConnect coin or something of the sort. But given that it is a healthy project in that Bitcoin is, we can expect that if it goes down, it's going to go up. If it goes up, it's going to go down. Obviously, but these kind of principles that lay the foundations are supposed to be obvious. Here's the thing. There is a roughly equal and opposite reaction. Whenever we see a gigantic rally like we saw over here at the beginning of October, we have a price to pay for that. So far, we have not really paid that price. We've been trading sideways, which is great, but we've obviously lost a lot of the momentum to the upside that the market had a couple of weeks ago. Right now, Bitcoin is in a confirmed downtrend as confirmed by Lux Algo because Lux Algo has a sell signal. I take that back. It's not confirmed, but it should be soon. We have a sell signal. We're going to have a trend catcher turn red relatively soon, and also Lux Oscillator is very bearish in that we saw a red dot come in a couple of weeks ago, and we're currently trending to the downside, as you can see by that big arrow that I just had on my Lux Algo oscillator, Lux Oscillator right there. So here's what I think is going to happen. I think Bitcoin is going to break its support around 58,000, and it's going to pull back down here to this zone between 53 and 55 within the next 2 weeks. But I do think that it is going to have a little bit of uptick in the week following Thanksgiving, Turkey Day. As we talked about on Tuesday's Coffee and Crypto, every single Thanksgiving for the last 6 years has seen at least a 3.68% rally over the 7 days following it from November 25th to December the 2nd. So we could see a little bit of an uptick, but in general, I think the next 2 to 3 weeks are going to see a downtrend on Bitcoin. From there, though, I think the rest of the cryptocurrency market is going to rally, and it's going to rally big time. For the first time in several months, I am disagreeing with Plan B. He is still predicting a $98,000 Bitcoin by the end of the month. I am pretty confident that that is not going to happen, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Where's Bitcoin going by the end of the month? Is it going to moonshot to 98K like Plan B thinks, or is it going to correct quite hard? If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on our social medias. We're growing quickly over there, and I'd love to get to know you even better on our Instagram, our Twitter, and our TikTok. You can find all those links down below. And make sure to sign up for Lux Algo, coupon code Jebb, J-E-B-B, for 20% off at checkout. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely consider subscribing because we're trying to help you become financially free in these cryptocurrency markets. And also, consider following us on Twitter @CryptoJebb for more updates on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Peace.